Hey there, this is Nick at DuraLabel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to create and print your first sign or label using DuraLabel's Kodiak Max industrial sign label print system. After completing your system onboarding and setup, we are now going to get started with your first print. We'll be creating a large format, restricted area, no parking, 2-color, red and black pre-made sign in LabelForge PRO, DuraLabel's free and easy to use sign label design software. Let's get started. Welcome to the LabelForge PRO sign label design software home screen. In this new modern interface, you have access to a variety of modules on the left-hand side, along with your recent, favorite, and network templates. You'll spend most of your time creating signs and labels in Label Designer. Under that, we have the Premade Signs Library that provides compliant pre-made signs and label templates to help get you printing right away. You also have dedicated compliant modules for ArcFlash, Chemical HAZCOM, NFPA RTK, and pipe marking. For our first print, we're going to click on the Premade Signs Library on the left-hand side. This is our Premade Signs Library, where you have access to 3,000 plus pre-made signs and label templates that will help you get printing within seconds. We are looking for a restricted area no parking sign. So we'll go to the search bar and type in parking. Since we are using black and red premium quick load ribbon cartridges on white premium vinyl, we'll choose the restricted area sign below here. When the prompt comes up to create a new label, make sure the supply width matches the premium label supply you are going to use. Now we'll open it up. From here we can customize text, adjust the layout, change symbols, and make sure the label is exactly what is needed for your facility. Since we're just printing this pre-made sign template as is, we are good to go. Now we'll click the printer icon at the bottom right. After hitting the printer icon, go up to your print settings and make sure that you have Kodiak Max selected under the printer category. Then simply just hit print. And once it's finished, the automatic cutter trims the sign so it's ready to use. And that's it. You've just printed your first sign, LabelForge PRO. We now have a bold 2-color large format, restricted area no parking sign. DuraLabel thermal transfer premium signs and labels last up to 5 years in harsh conditions and 10 years of normal use. Questions about your Kodiak Max? Please refer to the user guide, visit our tutorials on our product knowledge base, or take advantage of your free lifetime support by contacting a DuraLabel support specialist at DuraLabel.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.